So after taking common, divide all these expression by common factor, that is 7x square, and whatever remaining you will get, that you have to write here. Whatever quotient you will get, that is 7 2s are, you see 7 2s are 14, and x square into x, that is x cube, plus again 7 3s are 21, x square into x square, that is x to the power 4, and again y into y. Then 7 4s are 28, x square is there, x square, and when you will multiply this into this, you will get x square y square. So you can multiply and check your answer also whether it is correct or not. Let us do next question. Question number 13. 16 2p minus 3q whole square minus 4 2p minus 3q. That means 2p minus 3q is 2 times here and here 1 time. So we have taken here common 1 time. 2p minus 3q is common. And the HCF of 16 and 4 is 4. So 4 is common. 4 into 2p minus 3q is common. Now the remaining ones you have to write in the bracket. So already 4 you have taken. So when you will divide 16 by 4, 4 will remain. So 4 I have written. And 2p minus 3q is taken common. One more is left. So 4 into one more 2p minus 3q is here. Then minus, and from here, because here is minus sign, so here is minus sign. And because 4 into 2p minus 3q already one we have taken common here. So here nothing is remaining. Nothing is remaining. That means 1 is remaining. So 1 I have written here. Now in the next step, open the bracket and solve it. So further you will get 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8p, 4 3s are 12q, and minus 1. So these are the factorize, means this is how the factors we have obtained for this question. Now number 16. In number 16 it is given in one bracket x plus 5, 2x plus 5 minus x plus 5 into x plus 3. So two terms are there in this expression. So you can easily see which is the common. Easily we can see x plus y is the common. So x plus y is common, and in another bracket we have to write the remaining ones, that is 2x plus 5 minus, then don't forget to put bracket, minus x plus 3. In the next step you have to open the bracket and simplify. When you will open bracket, minus x and minus 3, then solve this one. So final answer will be x plus y into x plus 2. And number 19, question number, I have selected all different types of questions so that it will be helpful for you to solve the whole exercise. Question number 19, ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. Now here 4 terms are there. 4 terms are there. So first you see, can you take anything common between all the 4 terms? There is nothing common except 1. So we cannot. So we will make the pairs of 2 2. So first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So we'll select the common factor between first 2 terms. So the common factor between these two is b. And then what is remaining, that you have to write in bracket. When you will take b from here, ab will remain. So ab is here. B you have already taken here. So c square is left. Then here nothing is common. Nothing is common means 1 you have to take common. This is very important part. If here it is minus and here it is plus, so you have to take, when you are taking common between these two, so in the inside bracket also you will get negative sign. You will be asking why is it so? Because just if you want to recheck it, when you will open the bracket again you will get the same sign, means here is plus sign, so that means whatever we have taken common is correct. Now you see, when you will open bracket, minus into this term is minus ab, and minus minus plus 1 into c square is c square. So that is need to be remember always. If minus and plus is there and you are taking common, so outside will negative sign will be there and inside also negative sign will be there. So 1 is common, so 1 we have taken, so ab will remain, and here minus sign and then c square. Now you can see the common factors between these two terms. ab minus c square, and here also ab minus c square. So we have taken common, and here remaining is b and minus 1. Now next question, x minus 2y whole square plus 4x minus 8y. So we have to we can see that when you will take common something here, again you will get x minus 2y. So this you don't do anything with this expression. Go to the next expression. Take common factor here is 4. That means HCF of 4 and 8 is 4. So 4 is here and the remaining is x minus 2y. After that, now you can see in these two terms which is common factor, that is x minus 2y. So here is 2 times, here is 1 time. So 1 time we have taken common and the remaining 1 time I have written in this bracket plus 4. So plus 4, and so this is your answer. Number 25. Here AB square plus A minus 1 into B minus 1. Now first of all you have to check whether anything is common between these three. There is nothing common. And we cannot take, means if you will take common between these two, one will remain as it is. So henceforth we cannot factorize. So now in this case what you will do, you have to multiply B with this term. So after multiplication you will get A into B, that is AB, and then B into minus 1 is minus B. Now you are having 4 terms in hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take common between these two and these two. So let us see what are the common factors. So AB square is here and here AB is there. So A is common, one B is also common. So AB is common, AB we have taken common, 1B is remaining, plus AB already we have taken only, so nothing is remaining, that is 1 will be there. So here is 1. Now here is minus sign and here is minus sign. If both are having negative sign, so minus we will take common and inside will become plus. So nothing is common, that means 1 is common. Nothing is common means 1 is common. Then again B plus 1. If you have to check, just multiply it, see, you will get minus B and minus 1. Now B plus 1 is a common factor and the remaining AB minus 1 is your answer. So this much is for today, children. Solve each and every problem of this exercise, that is your homework. And whatever doubt you are having, doubtful questions, that you can write in comment box so that I can discuss in the next video. Thank you.